Yeah, that's 47 hertz.
What does that meter like that?
That's 162 on music. Georgia,
Wow,
the
okay.
country, so about 5 hours from here, 4 hours.
I got you.
Yeah. So we travel to Florida for shows, we go to Carolina for shows, and then Georgia. And then we went to TDH in Virginia.
Right.
Which is a great show.
It is.
All right, here we go. Excuse me, sorry, I can't help the coughing and sneeze.
If you need something.
The bass pressure does that.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, all right, I'll play one more.
Holy wow.
This is a lower frequency. But it's not as loud and brutal.
Oh, I hear you. Yeah. That's my UGB right here.
Okay, yeah, you heard it earlier. Yes, sir. Pretty crazy.
That's fucking awesome.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Pretty good? Pretty good experience? Yeah, man. Oh yeah, man.
My little bass head, I feel you.
Yes, sir, man.
Don't make it.
Oh, you're welcome. Hey, y'all. You want to hear it before I shut it off? You want to hear it before I shut it off? Yeah, you can. I was gonna shut it off soon, but you can hear it first. Come on. Yeah, come in, man. If you want to hear it.
Yeah, I want to hear it.
So my name's Jacob. What's going on, man?
Oh, yeah, I follow your YouTube.
Jacob Mile? Yes, sir. I do a lot of videos. You got a build out here?
No. I mean, I do at the house, but I can't with my buddy.
Oh, good, man. All right.
What you got here for?
4 Soundcube HDX 418s on 2 steps of 8Ks at 1 ohm, so around 7,000 to 8,000 watts clamp power. It does a 62 plus on music, and that's what you're about to get. Pretty loud.
Oh, yeah. Cooking me.
Thanks for coming here, man.
Yeah, sounds good.
I can play lows right here. I can play lows too, but I'm just demoing the highs right now.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Sounds good.
Then come in.
Oh shit. This looks like, hey, it looks like it's about to blow my damn head off.
Slam it.
Oh shit.
All right, you ready?
Yes. Y'all done
That's about a 161 TV right there. There you go, man. I do 163.7 on the glass is my burp score. Yeah. And that's on two 8Ks at 1 ohm.
I did the Street Dominator, or Demo Dominator, and I averaged 160 at 26 hertz over 30 seconds.
Yeah, that's really good. Yep.
Yeah, it's good for lows, but
Yeah.
I don't know. I got to loud vehicles today, and I'm over here like not appreciating my build anymore.
Because of the power you're running, you're like, whoa.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
I'm like, man, I'm running.
But you have a very musical bandwidth to it.
Yeah.
So you have to appreciate more than just what, depending on your goals. All right, I'll give you a demo. Let's go. Here we go. Ready?
What is that, man?
47 is my peak. With you in it. With you out, it's 49. And that's with my seat all the way up
Hey.
for pressure on you.
Wow, that's nasty.
Yeah, that's 47 hertz.
What does that meter like that?
That's 162s on music.
It sounds about a 162.
Yeah, around 7,000 watts.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a big ratio of fourth order, so I've been doing a lot of tuning to get it there.
I'm good on that.
Oh, you want to hear the lows real quick now?
All right.
Now I gotta give you, this is 24 hertz. So it'll play down to 18 hertz too.
Wow.
Yeah, really efficient build.
See, being a no wall, I don't know anything about efficiency. I mean, my no wall is unefficient thing.
It's hard to measure because you've got cabin that adjusts by frequency.
Yeah.
With your doors, your hatch, your glass. With a wall, you can contain a lot of that because you have less space.
Right.
So it'll play lows and
Yeah.
highs. Yeah.
That's impressive.
Thank you, man.
I appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.